Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. I just wanted to thank all of you for using my Model 3 referral code. I've had a few so far, so thank you so much, and congratulations if you've bought a Model 3. You're going to love that car. I can't stress enough, if you're going to buy a Model 3, please use a referral link. You don't have to use mine, but I will place mine in the comment section and also in the description below. Today I'm going to show you how to order and turn your reservation into a purchase for Australia's Tesla Model 3. So what you want to do is use a referral link, and again, use mine if you want to use it down in the comment section below. If you use it correctly, you should see save with Thomas's referral or save with someone else's referral, depending whose you use. So go ahead and click the Model 3 custom order, and they should see which state you live in and also whether it's a personal or business purchase. Go ahead and choose your state and press next. And then you should come up with a screen like this which says tick, confirm 1500 kilometers of free supercharging. Now before you go ahead, you've got to click that little link below that says I'm a reservation holder or something like that. So it's a very small link. Make sure you click that if you're a reservation holder. And that's just so that you keep your position in the queue for delivery come August of this year for Model 3. So click that and you should go ahead and order whatever car you want. And the payment page will come up eventually. And at this stage you might be thinking, wait, where's the $1,500 that I paid for my reservation 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, whatever it was? Where's that money? Don't worry, go ahead and purchase the car. And when you do eventually purchase the car, you'll get a confirmation notice from Tesla like this, which should say $3,000 payment today, and then the $1,500 reservation payment to a total of $4,500. And of course, that will come off your final balance in August when you do get your car. All right, guys, hope that makes sense. Please leave a question if you are still a little bit confused or have another query about Tesla Model 3 reservation purchase. And don't forget to use a referral link. Of course, I'll leave mine in the comment section below. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy charging.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!